Chia seeds, benefits and usage. Benefits of chia seeds. 1. Nutrient-rich superfood, high in fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, ALA, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and antioxidants. Gluten-free and suitable for vegan, vegetarian diets. 2. Digestive health, soluble fiber promotes gut health and regularity. Absorbs water to form a gel, aiding hydration and preventing constipation. 3. Heart health, omega-3 south may reduce inflammation, lower triglycerides, and support cardiovascular health. Fiber helps manage cholesterol levels. 4. Blood sugar regulation, slows carbohydrate absorption, stabilizing blood sugar spikes. 5. Weight management, high fiber and protein content increase satiety, reducing overeating. 6. Bone health, rich in calcium, phosphorus, and magnesium for bone strength. 7. Skin and detox, antioxidants combat free radicals. Omega-3 South supports skin health. Fiber aids in toxin elimination. 8. Energy and muscle repair. Balanced nutrients provide sustained energy, protein aids muscle recovery. Usage ideas. 1. Hydration and gel. Soak 1 TBSP chia seeds in 3 TBSP water. Milk for 15 to 30 minutes to form a gel. Use in puddings, smoothies, or as an egg substitute 1 to 3 ratio equals 1 egg. 2. Toppings and mix-ins. Sprinkle raw seeds on yogurt, oatmeal, salads, or avocado toast. 3. Baking. Add to bread, muffins, or pancakes for texture and nutrition. 4. Thickening agent, use in soups, sauces, or homemade jams. 5. Vegan recipes, ground chia works as a binder in veggie burgers or energy bars. 6. Pre-workout fuel, mix into drinks for sustained energy during exercise. Precautions, hydration, drink plenty of water to avoid digestive discomfort. Moderation, start with small doses 1-2 TBSP day to adjust to high fiber. Allergies, medications, consult a doctor if on blood thinners or with seed allergies. Storage, keep in an airtight container in a cool, dry place. Antioxidants grant a long shelf life to 2 for years. Chia seeds offer versatility and dense nutrition, making them a valuable addition to diverse diets.